Hi everyone, this is Venkatesh from Naresh Technologies. In this video, I want to give a clarity on DAO, Data Access Object Layer. In the last video, I have been concentrating on forward and include method. Let me repeat for 1 minute. So, whenever I want to establish communication between servlets, so I am taking the support of forward method and include method available from request dispatcher. Whenever if I say forward method, one servlet program will take the request and pass the request to the second servlet program. The second servlet program or any resource in the form of HTML or JSP page. So, the second resource can be of servlet, HTML or JSP page. The second servlet program will give the response, that is called forward. Whenever if we say include method, the include method is nothing but the current running servlet program 1 will include the response of servlet program 2 into the response of servlet program 1 and response to the web browser. So, I given small clarity through program also. So, I want to introduce DAO, Data Access Object Layer. You can call it as Data Access Object Layer. Suppose in my program, the last class, imagine I have taken one web application. Here I took one servlet program, that is login. I took one servlet program, login. So, I took second servlet program. So, whenever the user by sitting on web browser passes the request. So, here end user. This login servlet will take the username and password, Whenever it has been taken username and password, the username and password must be checked with the database. So, imagine I had one database here. So, it is connected to this program. The database is connected to this program by loading the driver class, establishing one connection, running the query and checking the login process. If login process has been successful, this login servlet is sending or forwarding the request to the second servlet program. Now, the second servlet program is trying to display the user details, Whenever it want to display the user details now, again it is establishing connection between this database. It is also loading one driver class, establishing connection and running the query and giving the response here, Servlet program 1 taken the request, processed the username and password. If it is true, sending the request to the second servlet program. The second servlet program is responding, means displaying the user details. For understanding purpose, I used two tables here. One is login, one I used as user details. Now, this will display the user details. Suppose the username and password has been failed, invalid, then it is going to include the HTML file. So, again the username password will be displayed, nothing but the page will be displayed. So, the demonstration I done it. Now, here two servlet programs are trying to communicate with the database. For this one separate connection, here one separate connection. So, to overcome this, then why do not we maintain one common database connection which can be used by more than one servlet program of same web application. Normally, what is the meaning of application? Set of programs collected together to perform one defined action, we are calling it as application. So, the application which is running in the internet world or web environment in the process of communicating with the end users through web browser, we are calling it as web application. So, definitely set of servlet programs are available. Whenever set of servlet programs are available within one web application, on the demand of your request or the demand of your logic, definitely the servlet programs will be communicating with your database. Then why this all servlet programs are communicating with the database? Then why don't we maintain one separate layer? Why don't we maintain one separate layer here in the form of DAO? Why don't we maintain one separate DAO layer so that the database connection can be established here? The database connection is established here. This is database connection established here. Once the database connection has been established, the database connection what is available here can be used by this servlet program, can be used by these two servlet programs. This is separate layer where we maintain a database connection, where we maintain a separate database connection related to one web application. This layer we can call it as data access object layer, part of your web application. So, the whatever the servlet programs available part of this web application, whenever they want to communicate with the database, they can use the connection available in the DAO layer. This process we are calling it as data access object layer. So, let me show this programmatically how to create one DAO layer. So, let me show how to declare or write this DAO layer now like this. I used one program which is having a display servlet, which is having a login servlet. In display servlet, we had one connection here, loading the driver class, establishing connection, and running one query here, and we are going to display it out. Whenever if we see here login servlet, the same way we are establishing connection and so on. The two programs part of same deployment directory or web application trying to communicate with the database. So, I want to, sir, let me run this and show it out. If I entered my username password correctly, I will get the user details coming from the database. Username password already checked from the database and the details are coming from the database. So, two programs are running here. So, the two programs has to use one common layer, that we are calling it as DAO layer. So, let me code it. So, here I am creating one class here. I am creating one class known as DB connection. Here I am importing import java.sql.star. While I am coding, observe it. Now, here I am using one static variable. I am using one end of one static block. Here I am loading class dot for name, variable dot, jdbc dot, driver dot. I am loading one driver class here. So, here I must keep in some try block. I am loading one driver class. Using this driver class, I am creating con is equal to driver manager dot get connection. So, here I must give the URL here. I must provide the URL of database. I loaded driver class and I am creating connection here. So, here jdbc colon variable colon thin colon at the rate of localhost colon 1521 colon xe. I am using my username as system and my password as manager. So, this is establishing connection. So, here class loaded and the connection established. Now, here in the same class I am using one static method, static connection get con. I am using one static method here. I am using one static method. This static method will return con object. What is the meaning of this class now? I declared one class here having this static here. Anyway, I will keep here. I declared one static variable, nothing but class variable as con. After loading this driver class and this connection established, the connection details available on this con reference variable. This con reference variable loaded with this reference, I am returning that con and. So why you declared in the static block? Static block is the one-time executable block executed while class loading. So here connection established once. So I can return the reference out. So whatever the programs I used just now, what are the programs? Here display servlet is there. In the display servlet, no need to load the class here. Here simply we can say db connection get con method. This is one method call. This one method call. Because get con method is nothing but static method. Declared by using static keyword, we can call with the class name. So the reference available on con. Here separate loading not there, driver class separate loading not, only once loaded, connection established. That connection I am getting here, reference I am recording here. The same process we do for your login servlet here. In the login servlet also you must not load your Oracle driver class here. Just use get con method called with your db connection. db connection. This is one method call. So what is the advantage of this now? Already we created one separate class here, db connection. In this db connection we are maintaining one separate loading of the class and creating connection with one static block. So after the connection has been established successfully, the reference available on the con now. Whenever I call this method, the method declared by using what keyword now? Static keyword. Whenever if you use static keyword here, you can call with the class name db connection dot get con. So whatever the servlet program available in your web application can call this method db connection dot get con. Automatically the reference will come out. So in this application, this display servlet is using db connection dot get con and this login servlet using db connection dot get con. So what you observed here, it is a single program. Two servlets are communicating with one forward method. Two servlets must not establish connection to database. They are establishing once the database connection established through DAO layer. Whatever the reference available there, connection con reference used by two servlet program. So if I run the program, so I am using NIT.v. Same answer you are getting, no? Means what? Instead of two servlet programs establishing communication with database source, only once we establish a connection through DAO layer, whatever the database connection details available in the form of connection con, that is used by two servlet programs in this example. That process we are calling it as maintaining separate layer to interact with the database connection known as DAO layer, data access object layer. So whenever I entered my username password wrongly, when I enter my username password wrongly like this, invalid username login, here username password is invalid, no? What happened now? Include. The same HTML page is repeated. So this is in last video we had a forward and include. We are trying to bring more than one servlet program together. Whenever you bring this more than one servlet program together, if more than one servlet program trying to communicate to the database source, so in that process we must maintain one separate layer to have database connection. The database connection what we are having separately, part of your web application, we are calling it as DAO layer, data access object layer. Thank you. Watch me on more videos in Naresh Technologies.